All right, the new AI darling, Google, soaring last year. Initially, it was written off, but the company has been declared the winner of AI. OpenAI declared the loser. My next guest said they're both winners. I want to bring in IO Fund, their lead tech analyst, Beth Kindig. So when we say they're both winners, I mean, don't give up on OpenAI.
AI is expected to be a 15 trillion impact to GDP, some as high as 20 trillion. There is room for both, Charles, and it's not about search. This is about embedding the large language model into as many applications and enterprise workloads as possible. That's what OpenAI and Google are after right now.
They've got a bunch of partnerships with all major names. Let's talk about another name that was under some pressure last year, Meta. Zuckerberg got hammered. I think maybe he's getting the message. He's laying off a bunch of workers at the Reality Labs thing where, the metaverse is. But your thoughts, because they went through this before as Facebook, when the stock was crashed, it was written off, but then we saw the so-called maturation of Zuckerberg.
I'm in favor of this. Let's get rid of the AR and the VR. Let's focus on AI. It may shock you. It shocked me to find out that Meta is number 2, second to NVIDIA on AI revenue. It has 60 billion run rate on its AI revenue. That's number 2 to NVIDIA.
Wow.
Meta should really double down on AI.
So it's undervalued here. It's a buy here for you.
Meta is a buy soon.
Okay, buy soon. I like that. President Trump throwing down a gauntlet on these big tech companies. Hey, listen, you're going to make $1 gazillion. You have to pay for your own data centers. Today, Microsoft stepping up, saying they're going to be a community company. We're going to pay their own data centers. They're going to minimize water use. They're going to create jobs. They're going to add to the tax base. They're going to strengthen communities around them. Beyond the public relations aspect of this, are there opportunities?
Absolutely. The electrical grid is stretched. There are many alternative forms of energy. One that we have talked about on your show is Bloom Energy.
Yeah.
They do solid oxide fuel cells that does not depend on the grid. It's behind the meter, on-site power generation. It's immediate too. It's within 3 months. Those are the kinds of power solutions that will really help AI the next
I think
leg
we had
up.
a chart of that. You gave us this stock last year, and I got to tell you, it took off like a rocket. It pulled back, and look at this. It's taken off again, breaking out to new all-time highs. And you say there's more upside still.
Absolutely.
Beth, thank you so much.
Thanks,
You're
Charles.
absolutely fantastic.
Appreciate
Love your
it.
work. Keep it up.